Good morning student, you're welcome in online classes. This is R.P. Tiwari and I am here to solve your problem related subject physics. Yes, the important subject physics for class 10th. Look at board, here the unit third, that is natural phenomena. Natural phenomena is given here. This is a revised syllabus after some deleting portion by the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE. My dear students, these are the topics of this unit. That unit name is natural phenomena, and the natural phenomena is basically covers the portion which is related to light. The light, that is reflection and refraction. In this course we cover the property of light, that is reflection, and second property is refraction. My dear student, after completion of 10th, when you are going to class 12, then the properties of light also be studied by you, and that is the diffraction, interference, scattering, dispersion, polarization, etc. But in case of 10, only 2 points, reflection and refraction. Here in this board, the total syllabus is divided into 3 parts. The part 1, part 2 and part 3 for your simplicity. Totally concentration and focus is required by you. In case of part 1 is totally related to term reflection. Part 2 is based on refraction, and part 3 is also related to the refraction but another optical instrument, that is prism. So one by one we study about these all topics, which is the revised syllabus of class 10. In case of reflection, we cover reflection of light by curved surfaces, images formed by spherical mirrors, center of curvature, principal axis, principal focus, focal length. Mirror formula, but derivation is not required in case of 10. But in case of 12, derivation must be done by you. And the last topic is magnification. These are the topics related to the reflection. Reflection is the property of light. In part 2, that is refraction, and the topics are refraction, laws of refraction, refractive index, refraction of light by spherical lenses, image formed by spherical lenses, lens formula, again derivation not required, magnification, and last topic, that is much more important topic, power of lens. Yes, power of lens. Our power glasses is related to the power of lens. As my dear student, in the part 3, refraction of light through a prism, dispersion of light, scattering of light, and the application in daily life. What are the importance of this chapter and this unit, natural phenomena, in our daily life? That is the last topic of this syllabus. So, my dear student, we will cover all the topics one by one in next video. So, please keep in touch and participate actively. Thank you.